So I need to quickly freshen up and head out with my colleagues to Trader Joe. The flight was like for 14 hours. And like I'm really tired. I need to sleep, but if I sleep, I'll wake up like late in the evening and I don't want to step out and go and buy groceries because it's not safe. So I just decided to eat something and drink hot tea and go do some shopping so that I do not need to leave the hotel for anything. By the way, I love this noodle. This is like I can eat it without adding water to it or just as a snacks, dry snacks. And this coffee, I got it and I realized that I need to add milk in it and not water. So then I just decided to have something hot and green tea, and the seasoning I carry it all the time. It's really good, so I recommend this seasoning. I especially added on boiled eggs. I carry my own tiffin and the glass because some hotels here do not provide, and you don't wanna like in the middle of the night look for a glass and then call for some room service. So hence I always come prepared, so I don't have to depend on room service all the time.
एक अच्छी चीज़ ये है कि जितना भी आप इन्फ्लुएंस करने की कोशिश करें, अगर आप इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं हो रहे हैं तो कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे। या आपकी ऑडियंस को पता है ऐसा नहीं है। आपकी वीडियो बनाया ऐसे एकदम
Good morning, it's another day and it's bright and sunny, but I have no plans of stepping out. Like I said, the layover is not that long. I'm leaving tonight, and before my flight, I need to rest. Oh, look, the aircraft. My hotel is right next to the airport, so like I get to see a lot of landings. My fridge right now looks so cute, like with the food all stocked up. Thinking what I should eat. Protein milkshake. I just wanted to try. By the way, the protein milkshake is good. It's not too heavy, and I also have to keep some reminders that the food is in the fridge so that I don't forget it to pack it with me because last time I did forget and I felt so bad that I left something in the hotel. It's time to leave LA. And right now, I am just doing my makeup, and we're gonna soon head back to Hong Kong. I know I did not do anything much for this layover because I was really exhausted, and sometimes US flights are not easy. Like, you need like at least more than 2 days to enjoy the layover. But maybe next time I will try to do better. But for now, we say bye to LA and hello to Jakarta. So the weather outside looked fine earlier, but later on started raining. It was normal, but then later so I just started raining like cats and dogs. And I thought I would order something online, but then I did not want to get the delivery guy all wet. So I just decided to room
ನೀವು ನಾಷ್ಟ
service.
करने
And look at my
मराठा में ते
food.
आवडे येणार आलं होतं.
You know, they say when you're hungry, do not go for grocery shopping. Same, when you're hungry, do not go and order 3 dishes for your lunch or whatever because I could not finish it. I just had like few bites and I was full already. So I decided to go to the mall for some shopping because I just didn't want to sit in the room. And look here, they had the Chinese New Year decoration. I mean, I think this is something like for Eid, for Ramadan. And I'm back with some drinks, which I was like holding on to for an hour. And I'm finally gonna drink it. And I also bought this really cute jacket. But first, let me just show you the drinks. Got the boba tea. I could not drink it because I thought I'll drink it at the hotel, but something happened and I could not come on time. And look at this olive green jacket from Zara. This is the first time I shop from Zara. Something for myself. It's always I'm buying for other people, but so cute. It's like I don't know, fluffy and extra long, extra large and loose kind of jacket. And since I was so late and tired, I decided to room service. And this time, this was wonton noodles, and this was so much better. And I learned my lesson, and I ordered just one this time because I told myself, if you're gonna be hungry again, order again, but just do not waste food. So, and I finished it. It was so warm, and the chili oil was really spicy, but I enjoyed the food. And this is how I'm ending the vlog with some really heat pain patches because I have some backache from the flight. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye.